Hey guys, so this week's video, I don't know, I didn't want to, post it, but I'm trying to be consistent and yeah, I'll just post it because it is what it is. Anyways, guys, I'll be fixing this wig that I got. I'm not sure if I should post the business's name because I honestly didn't like still don't like the wig because it gives everything but what it's supposed to give, but that's another story for another day. Anyways, the wig is a closure bouncy curl, but I started combing out the curls, the front part of the curls, because when it came I was in shock because it wasn't what I saw in the video that I purchased it from, so I was panicking a bit. So I decided to just fix the hair and send the video to the lady that I bought it from. But yeah, I ended loving it for about a week, and because it's a new wig and everything, it has this really strong smell that I couldn't stand, and I made the mistake of washing the wig. Guys, I think the strong smell that it had was coming from the chemicals that were keeping the curls. So immediately I washed the hair, I lost all the curls. The hair became wavy. You see, normally for curly wigs, even if they lose, which is rarely, it was advertised as a human hair. It wasn't advertised as a blend or synthetic. So guys, I'm talking from like a human hair perspective. When it doesn't really lose its curl to certain way, movie from curly to, and even with this one, this is not what it was supposed to give. The ends were really curly and bouncy. Oh my god. Anyways, when I watched it, I lost everything. I lost everything, and the smell was there, but it wasn't really as bad. And the hair was now wavy. You see, normally with hair like this, let's say, what do they call this hair? The bridal curls. They can hold a curl for much longer than let's say a bone straight hair. A bone straight hair can't hold a curl. This hair was behaving like anything but a curly bouncy curl wig, and I was so mad because I was like, oh my god, I ruined it. The hair was only good for like about a week, and after I washed it, I lost the hair. But anyways, I know it was supposed to be a tutorial, but guys, honestly, this was a rant. This was honestly a rant. But when I wore it for the first week, it looked so good. It looked so good. Even though it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give, it was okay. I could work with it. But I'm quite disappointed with the hair. I didn't like it. I wasn't going to post this video, but honestly, I have exams and filming and editing. And since this is an old video that I had there, I was like, you know what? Let me post this. So I don't know if I should title this video as a tutorial, as a rant, or whatever. But I'm not going to put the business, out there because I've seen hair from them from other people and it looked so good. Even though it wasn't this hair in particular, it looked so good. But I went to buy and it was like this. So I'll just take it as a bad. It's not like the hair is bad. As you can see from the video, the hair is good and everything, but it's not what I bought. Look at how good it looked before I washed it, guys. Look at how good it looked before I washed it. For 1 week it was good. I washed it and I lost everything. So this after I washed it, guys, look, the hair still looks good, but it's not what I bought. So now it has become my everyday hair. It's become my everyday hair, but honestly, it's giving everything. The hair is good, it's giving everything but what it is supposed to give. So it's like I'm mad, but I can't really be mad. It's serving other purposes. Okay guys, so this is how the hair is looking. Guys, this hair is my everyday wig. And let me tell you something. It's given like this hair gives, right? But it's given everything it's but what it's supposed to give. And I'm so mad that I can't be extremely mad, but like I'm so mad. This is not the hair that I bought. This is not the hair that I bought at all.